What's going on, guys? This is your boy Alton with INVESTOFY. In today's video, I'm going to be going over HYLIION, ticker symbol HYLN. HYLIION is a EV trucking company similar to Tesla. And before we get started, please understand that this is not financial advice. I am a random guy on social media just talking about my interest in stocks and my analysis. And yeah, that's really all that it is. Please do your own due diligence. So let's get started with HYLIION. And let me just minimize myself. So essentially, HYLIION is delivering tomorrow's electrified fleets today. They have two different products. They have the Hypertruck ERX, which is fully electric, and the second one is hybrid ERX. And just you can see that this is fully electric, this is hybrid, and they're planning to compete with Tesla. Now, a few things about their financials to understand is they're probably sitting at around $289 million in cash, but they've been burning through money, and they plan to have some money come through in this quarter. So next earnings will be interesting to see how much money they made. And they plan that next year, coming in the next couple of quarters, they plan to be rolling out the first EVs, which are already in production, as we can see here that they're working, whatnot. They'll be providing those to some of the suppliers. So that is where there is potential for excitement in this company. But let's take a quick look at the stock. At the end of the day on December 23rd, it was up 8%. And let me move my face out of the way. Okay. And if you look at the chart here, right here, we can see that from its IPO, initially, it's almost a year ago, it just skyrocketed all the way to a high of 58.66 and then came crashing down all the way to 5.63, losing more than 90% of its value. And one of the things that people don't understand about majority of the IPOs is that within the first 12 months after a company goes IPO, they usually tend to decrease in value before finding their earnings and place and then starting to make moves. So that's exactly what's happening here. We don't really see a product out there for this company, but well, they do have demos. But once they start to roll out, once they start to create contracts with other trucking businesses and transportation services, this is going to be exciting for them that they can generate more revenue and more enthusiasm. So I do believe that it is a bit of a risky investment at this point. One can go for it if you're one of those guys who just thinks, listen, I think this is really cheap at 6.69, which I kind of believe it is. It is undervalued, but there comes a risk because you don't know how many they'll be able to supply, how much their revenues will be. Will they be raising debt in the long term? So we don't know that, right? So there's also the potential that the company can go potentially bankrupt and be out of business. So, do your own due diligence. And that's really all that I will say in this case. I do think that this might be an interesting buy, a risky buy for sure, and I might be investing in this, probably investing in this by next week, just a little bit. But once I start to see traction, I plan to go all in and see what can happen. So yeah, that's that. And besides that, guys, if you have any comments and questions on this or any other stock, please let me know, and I would love to give you guys my analysis and my thoughts on that. But really, that's as simple as it is. And also check out the description. We have a lot of links for free affiliates like free Bitcoin, free stocks, free portfolio plus $50 from M1 Finance. And you can join our free Telegram group for stock and trading alerts and crypto alerts that I sent out. So yeah, thank you so much, guys, for your time. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Goodbye.